As you can see, we've done our compaction with the compactor vibratory plate. And what you're going to notice is quite a few ridges and humps. And that's because the sides of the compactor are rounded, and obviously it's a heavy item and it causes the material to bump up. And these ridges can be knocked down using a steel hand tamp, 10 by 10, 12 by 12. And what you do is you go through and you tap on these areas to knock them down and smooth out any of these ridges that are exposed. Then from there, there's another technique in which we'll demonstrate, in which we use a trowel. So here, we just follow along, tamping as we go, leveling out the areas where there's ridges and knocking those down. And we'll do that everywhere.